During the salah, the people are thinking about their business. They are praying in front of Allah. They are standing in front of Allah. But they are thinking, sometimes people are making computation. How much may I profit from my business today? Where is your love of Allah? Where is your fear of Allah? You are in front of Allah, but your mind is with your shop. Your mind with your business. When we say Allahu Akbar, the first Allahu Akbar, we call it Takbir-e-Tahrima. Takbir-e-Tahrima means, when you say Allahu Akbar, there are many things become haram for you. You cannot speak, you cannot talk, you cannot eat, you cannot drink, you cannot say Salamu Alaikum. And somebody says Salamu Alaikum, you cannot say Wa Alaikum Salam. Because this meaning Takbir-e-Tahrima. Allahu Akbar. Forget everything. Prophet Muhammad Sallam, his family said, when Prophet Muhammad Sallam heard the azan, while he is with us very happy and loving and kind, but when he heard the azan, the Bilal said, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. He stand up. And his family said, the Prophet Muhammad, that he forget us, as he don't know us. Because he remember, Allahu Akbar, there is no one is superior to Allah. So he left the house, he go to the masjid to pray. That is a level of love for Allah. We love Allah more than our parents, more than our wives, more than our children, more than our relatives, more than everything. And you are willing to sacrifice everything for Allah. We are willing to give our lives for Allah. Then you are a believer. Try to check what is the level of your love in your heart for Allah. Do you really love Allah? Do you really fear Allah? Check it. If you are with people and you are worried, people can think about me, I am a bad person, I am like this and like this. So in front of the people, you are very kind, you are very good. But when you are alone, what you are doing now? You go to other country, you go other city, nobody knows you there. You can do anything haram. It means you have no fear of Allah. If you go anywhere in the world, Allah is watching you. Anywhere you go in the world, Allah is with you. Allah is knowing what is in our hearts. Your character can tell you if you really fear Allah. Because if you are different with the people and you are different with alone, it means you have no fear of Allah. You are trying to be hypocrite. You are going with your family, you are going with your children, you are going with your friends, you are not looking around the girls. But when you are driving alone, every girl passing on the street, you look at them. Because you have no fear of Allah. You fear people and not fearing Allah. When people look at you, you are giving charity. So people can say you are very generous. But when you are alone, you doesn't like to give charity because nobody is watching you. You are mushrik. Because a believer, he should do everything for the sake of Allah, for the love of Allah.